Welcome to the podcast with Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. In today's episode, we will be discussing how inheritance in the form of real estate or cars is divided in Thailand. Let's get started. Dividing inherited property, especially real estate, can be a complex task in Thailand. While cash or shares can be easily divided proportionally, dividing land poses challenges due to varying values and characteristics of different portions. For instance, one part of the land may have higher value due to its proximity to a main road, while another part may be less valuable if it is adjacent to a forest or situated further away. According to the Civil and Commercial Code of Thailand, Section 1750, if the heirs can reach an agreement, they may divide the inheritance property by taking possession of their respective portions or by selling the property and dividing the proceeds among themselves. However, if the heirs cannot come to an agreement, the principle of co-ownership division applies, as outlined in Section 1364. In such cases, the matter must be brought to court, and the court will decide on the division of the property. When the case goes to court, there are several methods the court may use to divide immovable property. 1. The court may allocate specific portions to each heir, compensating for any difference in value by providing additional financial compensation. However, this method is rarely used due to its complexities and the potential for dissatisfaction among the heirs. 2. The property may be auctioned and sold among the heirs. Each heir has the opportunity to bid, and the highest bidder will be awarded the entire property. 3. If none of the heirs wish to purchase the property individually, the court may opt for an auction method where the property is sold to a third-party buyer. The proceeds from the sale will then be divided among the heirs. In general, it is advisable to seek a mutual agreement among the heirs rather than resorting to court proceedings. Sharing the property amongst themselves often leads to a more satisfactory outcome, as it minimizes disputes and usually results in better pricing compared to selling the property through third-party auctions. And that concludes our discussion on dividing inheritance in the form of real estate or cars in Thailand. Join us in the next episode as we explore more legal insights with Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group.